Tecno Spark Slim was launched as a pod this year with a thickness of 5.75 millimeter. Now joined by a second model Tecno Pova so they match the concept version. The Tecno Spark Slim now comes at 5.93 mm with 156 grams, which is very impressive for mid-India. Pova Slim is 5.95 millimeter and weighs is same. Read the numbers. Tecno had to rework the components like the battery, speaker, slim slot, USB Type-C connector, which measures 0.45 mm. Vapor chamber in both phones are 0.3 mm and they have 5160 milliampere battery, 4.04 mm. Employed is proprietary Honeycomb stacking technology to help maximize efficiency. Phones offer an aerospace-grade fiber back cover, which is 0.36 mm thick. Key of the back, you get 50 megapixels on both, with SparkSlim also getting a more LED bar with multi-scene lighting, special animation for notification. SparkSlim is equipped with Helio G200, while the 5G capable Pova Slim gets with Dimensity 6400. It features curved AMOLED screen with 144 Hz refresh, 4500 nits of peak brightness, 5160 mAh battery supporting 45 watt, 10 watt reverse bias charging. You get IP64 dust and water resistance, iOS on Android 15 and Tecno's AI